follow me? Hi, Snow Baby. He's all snowy. Come on, let's go inside. It's cold. Jasper's gonna help you.
Found the poncho we were talking about the other day.
Yeah. Does
All
the trick.
set.
Especially when you're plowing. When you're plowing and it's blue skies, you don't need it. But when you're plowing and it's snowing like this, yeah. Well, I don't think you can do both.
Wasn't too smooth with that one. Ooh.
You want me to help you? You got it. Wow. It's like hard to even see if there's a person under there.
Like
Oh, you have 2 helpers.
2 helpers.
Man.
Like I am like ready
You're
for
so
whatever.
ready.
Like, hey,
could
no snow
take
getting
on
in
a
here.
Yeti.
All
Oh,
right.
that's funny.
I'm ready. Come on, snow.
You're so ready. Oh, we got a defector.
Like this snow is legitimately up to my hip where it could slide off of the.
Yeah, it's a lot of snow.
All right.
Have fun. Be safe.
See ya.
Bye.
I plowed yesterday. Looks like we got another fresh 6 inches at least. I think one of the first things I need to do is get the snow off the camper. Don't want that crushing the roof and caving it in. And it is starting to pile up pretty good. So better clear that off first. And then we'll probably go plow. break out the yardstick. Go see how much snow we have right now.
After you're gonna fall out the window, stop.
16.
It's a lot of inches.
A lot of inches. We are at 15 and a half to 16 inches, so still a bunch forecast for today and tonight. We'll see what that equates to, but so far it's showing no signs of stopping. Must be a lot of moisture in the snow because it looks kind of blue down in that hole. Glad I got that heavy wet snow up off the roof of the RV. Pole barn I'm not worried about. I haven't got the tin on there yet, but it's super stout. If the tin was on there, it would slide off a little better. Obviously with the 412 pitch, it'd be just fine. Cabin roof slides off just fine with the tin. Pump house, not worried about. Stout, short. Yeah, I think we're good for roofs for now. Should probably go knock it off the cars just in case. I don't know how strong that sheet metal is, but anyhow, I think we better go start plowing. The snow drift on the side of the house, 37 inches. This is actually kind of funny. So we undug Dee Dee's car when we were first started getting snow. She went to town and back, and there's like a snow drift piling up against the side of it. That's pretty impressive. The bed of my pickup is literally filled up with the snow. It's a lot all at once.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Oh, snowy fun there. We got the driveway roughly plowed so we can get in and out. Actually ran into the neighbor. He's got a plow rig this year, an actual like Suburban with a big old V plow on it. So he's actually doing the main road. I started on it and he came down the hill. And I said, okay, you're built for it. It's all yours, bud. So anyhow, got our stuff cleaned out so we can get in and out, and he's clearing the main one. So we should be sitting in good shape. We'll see what happens tonight. Dig out the cars tomorrow. Probably plow again tomorrow. And we'll just keep measuring it as it comes down. Jeez. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us for another snowy one. I'm sure we'll be digging out of this one for a while. So we'll catch you on the next one.
Till you added color.